How to enable media visibility on WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can enable media visibility on WhatsApp. So if you want to see photos, videos and other media shared in your chat directly to your phone gallery, this is perfect guide for you. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the WhatsApp app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And once you are inside the app, simply tap on the three dot icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And from the drop down menu, simply tap on settings. And once you are inside the settings, simply scroll down and tap on chats. And this will take you to the chat settings where you can customize how your messages and media appear. Now here, simply scroll down and here you can see the option labeled as media visibility. So by default it might be turned off, but you can easily turn it on. So simply tap on the switch next to media visibility to enable it, and this will ensure that any media shared in your chats will be automatically saved to your gallery. And once you have enabled it, you can go back to your chats and check that the media shared with you will appear in your gallery. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.